Hi there, here I go again. I'm going to make another soup. And as per usual, I have everything all set to go, all the measurements. I've got the onion, the garlic, the beans for at the end, the corn, kernel corn, obviously the avocado, chili flakes, smoked paprika, cumin, sour cream, the stock, the pan in which I've already put the oil, and I will be de-skinning these tomatoes. The garlic and the onion, and then the spices, the chili flakes, the smoked paprika and the cumin. Oh, smell that. Yummy. Next up, on that smoked paprika. I love that smell. I don't know about you, but I do. Okay, and here goes the stock. Right, easy peasy. Easy peasy.